Hello friends, today we are going to see the difference between Rs and Cars. This question is very important for an interview. So let's start. Rs means argument and Cars means keyword argument. Argument and keyword argument are used to handle a number of variable arguments in the definition of function or method. In the argument, a variable number of arguments is placed to the function in the tuple format. In the argument, a variable number of arguments is passed to the function in the tuple format, where in the keyword argument the variable number of arguments is passed in the dictionary format. Rs and cars are just conventional placeholder. We can use any other name. Here single hashtag and double hashtag is important. The use of Rs and cars makes function flexible. Let's see its syntax. The name of the function and the Rs parameter are passed in the argument, and in cars the name of the function and cars parameter are passed in keyword argument. Let's see the difference. The first difference is that in an argument a function accepts number of positional arguments in tuple format, where in keyword argument a function accepts a number of named argument in a dictionary format. The second difference is that in Rs a single hashtag is used before the parameter, and a double hashtag is used before the parameter in keyword argument. Let's see the third difference. Third difference is that argument object reading method is similar to the reading of the tuple or collection, where in keyword argument object reading method is like dictionary reading. Let's see the R's example. Here we have created a list named stud list, and this list we are passing to the student function with the single extract. We are accepting an argument in student function. The process of reading an argument is the same as reading a tuple. By using for loop we are reading the name of the student. In a print statement we are printing the student name and argument type. Let's execute the program. Here we can see that all the student name are displayed and the type of argument is also being displayed. So here we can see the tuple as a argument type. Let's see the keyword argument example. Here we have created a dictionary that has 101 as a key and Martin as a value. This dictionary we are passing to the student function with the double hashtag. A student function is accepting keyword argument in the function. The method for reading keyword argument is similar to the reading a dictionary. Here we are reading the key and value using the item function of the dictionary. In print statement we can see dictionary data type of accepted keyword argument along with the key and value. So let's execute this program. So here we can see that roll number and name of the student, and also we can see the data type of the input parameter. So friend, these are the some differences. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.